Hi, Blaise Dietz here, the Medicare Concierge. Let's discuss Plan F. I want to answer the 3 top questions that I receive from prospective clients every single week, and I hope they help you out. Number 1 is, why is the most popular Medigap plan in the country Plan F? 2, what does it really cover? And is it really the best plan for me? Finding the right Medicare supplement plan is not as difficult as it seems. But you have to not only consider the benefits, but you truly have to let the numbers help you determine if it's the best value for your budget. By the end of this short video, you will be able to get a sense if Plan F is the best plan for you, or if the Plan F stands for flushing hard-earned retirement dollars down the drain. Now, my other videos dive into actual case studies, costs, etc., but this one's really going to focus on Plan F here. Most seniors have heard of Plan F because it's the most popular plan in the country, and it's the most comprehensive Medigap plan offered by insurance companies. It's commonly referred to as the Cadillac of all Medigap plans. It is the #1 selling Medigap plan nationally. Over 55% of all seniors in the United States have this Plan F. Plan F pays 100% of the gaps of Part A and Part B Medicare. This means no copays, no deductibles, and no coinsurance. You can visit any doctor, specialist, or hospital anywhere in the country that accepts that awesome red, white, and blue Medicare card and never get a medical bill on approved Medicare expenses. This coverage is outstanding. But is it the best for you? And more importantly, is it the best value for your money? I want to quickly show you what no captive insurance agent is going to show you. You know, a captive insurance agent is when you call an insurance carrier directly, you speak to the call center, usually a new insurance agent every single time. They're not going to be allowed to tell you about any other insurance carrier's plans or costs. They can only sell theirs to you. I want to show you how many companies are in the marketplace actually competing for your business, and how vastly, this is really the most important part, how vastly their prices vary for the exact same Plan F benefits. Let's look at my favorite technology tool that I use every single day when talking to prospects from around the country. Okay, here it is. I want to show you how easy it is for me to help guide my clients as an independent agent. So when I need to find out exactly what you're paying now and what you could be paying for the comparable medical supplement plan or Medigap plan, let me show you how easy it is. So I type in my client's zip code. You can see here it's loading. It pulls up the county of Oakland. So I can do 65. Let's do a male, non-tobacco user. They're on Plan F, and I want to sort by price. So I just click Get Quote. And a few seconds later, it sorts by price. So as you can see here, we've got United Healthcare, Liberty Bankers. We've got some new companies that are in the marketplace. IAC, Transamerica, American Continental, which is Aetna, Manhattan Life. And it goes all the way down, and it sorts by price. So you can see that in the same zip code, there could be somebody with, Equitable, which is a great company, paying $319 a month for Plan F. And then there's a person in the same zip code could be paying $145. I don't make these things up. So, and then there's a button on the left that I can click here that you can't see, but it goes even into greater detail here, which can show me the payment or the premium increase amount, when those went on. We can take a look at their loss ratio. The higher the loss ratio, the greater the chance for rate increases, premium increases. So, we really have a lot of fun digging into this for our clients. And again, the best thing about dealing with an independent insurance advisor is we're not beholden to any one of these carriers, because we get paid the same commission percentage regardless of the carrier that you choose. My job is to listen to you and then help guide you and tell you what your options are. So, I'm often talking about how overpriced Plan F is. We talk about how I wrote an article about Plan F and Plan C. The title of the article is about the death spiral, because they are eliminating any new plan participants come 2020. There will be no new plan participants into that. So You think about that, no new people coming in at the age of 65 or any age. It's only going to be an aging population. With an aging population comes more medical claims. When a group has increasing medical claims, then the premiums go up, and then eventually they go up in an astronomical fashion. That's why it's called the death spiral. So there's so many things that we enjoy helping people out with. Now, let's take a look at this. Plan F, we switch it quickly to Plan G. It starts to underwrite automatically. And look at that. There's a different price there for Plan G. So even if you think you have the lowest price on Plan F, you really should get off of Plan F if you can qualify to do that. Our team, myself, can help you do that. But again, I just wanted to show you this. It's exciting. It's one of my favorite things that I get to do all day. And I hope that helps shed some light on why you've got to work with an independent advisor. Okay, let's get back to it. So for the person that never wants to see a medical bill, doesn't care how much their premium is, they are commonly choosing Plan F. Again, 55% of all Medigap plans are Plan F. But there is a train coming down the tracks that 99% of Plan F participants, actually Plan C participants also, have no idea about. Okay, so here's a fact. Plan F and Plan C are not taking on any new plan participants starting in 2020. And that will have massive ramifications on premiums to both of those plans. Think about this. When an insurance plan accepts no new healthy participants, you have increasing age, increasing medical costs, and that only equals one thing: premium hikes. I have other videos that talk about what the industry insiders call this. They call it the death spiral. And again, I've got lots of information on my blog and on videos about it that will really help you understand it, but that's the basics of it. If you're like my mom and dad and like to save money by making informed buying decisions, we really need to let the numbers guide us instead of insurance industry sales agents that really don't specialize in Medigap plans. So I go over the numbers via actual case studies in my video about Plan G that you can also find either underneath this video or on my YouTube channel. So if you want to save money, you need to look at other plan options. It's a fact. There are other plan options that can save you a lot of money while providing almost identical insurance coverage, but at a much lower cost basis. Now, what's the difference between Plan F and Plan G? Well, there's only one thing. On Plan G, you must pay the annual Part B deductible yourself each year, and that's only $204. After you pay this deductible, Plan G pays 100% of the gaps, just like Plan F does. So why would you want to pay this deductible? Does it make financial sense to pay this deductible? Are the follow-up questions I get from my prospective clients. So if you qualify for Plan G at most carriers, Plan G is the best value in the Medigap marketplace, even after you pay the deductible. So I recommend that you watch my video on Medical Supplement Plan G right after this video. After you watch the video, give your independent insurance agent a call to help you quickly compare the monthly premiums, and then see if they know how to get you qualified for Plan G at the best carrier in your zip code. And of course, I want to be your Medicare concierge for life. That's why I spend my whole days preparing these educational videos or talking to clients. And you saw how much fun it is to really put in the information in the online underwriting software that we use, because we can quickly show you all the carriers, what their ratings are, and really a host of other information to help you make an informed decision. We are educators, not sales reps. So why have the majority of seniors chosen Plan F? Well, there's three main reasons, in my opinion, why Plan F is the most popular. Okay, number one, human nature comes into effect here with this answer. Plan F pays agents the highest commission. Okay, number two, it's very easy for agents out there to say, just go with Plan F. It's the most comprehensive plan. It will cover 100% of all your medical bills. Okay, number three, unfortunately, many agents are either not motivated to crunch the numbers for their clients, or they just don't care enough to put their clients into the plan that offers the greatest value and savings. They're not interested in being your Medicare concierge for life. All right, let's keep moving here. So if you have a Plan F and have watched some of my other videos, you know now what the F really stands for in Plan F, right? Now, here's the good news. You can switch out of that program, that plan, anytime you want, as long as you're relatively healthy. Okay, so we're almost done here. I really want you to remember what we talked about earlier, this death spiral. Plan F and Plan C are not allowing any new enrollees after 2020. If you are in Plan F and qualify, you seriously need to consider exiting that plan now. And again, you're going to be able to save money. So you're going to get two great things. You're going to avoid this death spiral, premium hikes coming down the future, and you're going to save yourself some money, a lot of money usually. You may want to change into Plan G or Plan N as they offer you the best bang for your buck. You can forever avoid dealing with a new agent every time you call a carrier's call center, and let me be your Medicare concierge for life by making one simple call. I'm here to help you review your plan options, answer all of your questions, all of your family members' questions, friends' questions. We can do a conference call or a webinar if you like together. But let's crunch some numbers together. And remember, there's never a charge for dealing with an independent insurance agent. It's one of the greatest things the federal government ever did. They've highly regulated the pricing and the plans for this industry. The price is the same whether you deal with me or deal with the carrier. The difference is the carrier is not going to tell you what other insurance carriers in your neighborhood are charging for the exact same plan. And I'm not allowed to ask you for any money either. So it's really a great thing. I can focus all of my efforts on education. I hope this video has helped you better understand what's going on with Plan F. And remember, I want to be your Medicare concierge for life.